Good afternoon, English 102. Welcome to the fall semester. I wanted to take a moment to introduce myself and hit some high points for your syllabus. There you go. Move this over here. Okay, so my name is Chloe Robertson Wofford. My pronouns are she, her, and hers, and I prefer to be called Miss Wofford or Professor Wofford. This is my 4th year teaching composition and creative writing here at USM, and I'm finishing my doctorate in English and creative writing. Hopefully, I'll be graduating in May. I write original poetry and also study and translate Old English poetry. I'm fascinated by old books and other old things. I think they are essential in adding to our own collective idea of humanity and greatly inform how we view and think about the human experience. That brings us to this course. English 102 is the big research class where the main assignment that you do is write a research essay. In my 102 courses, we use the archives on campus in McCain Library to help us get curious, start asking questions, and we'll start looking for answers or researching. If we were face to face, we'd get to handle and physically explore some of those materials. But since this course is online, we'll be looking through digital collections and exploring those artifacts in our research. So here's a brief outline of what our modules look like this semester, and this is on page 2 and 3 of your syllabus. Module 1 is purely introductory. I want to mold this class into something that you can truly use in your own academic and career goals. Being honest on these assignments will help me do that. Module 2, we'll begin this module by watching a tour created by librarian Jennifer Brannick, walking us through digital collections. You'll have a chance to become familiar with those collections, and you'll do an exploration activity to give you a chance to view all of the collections and start thinking about which collection most resonates or most interests you. You'll then choose one item from your chosen collection, and you'll begin to think about it rhetorically. Who created this item? Why did they create it? What is it in response to? You'll also begin to ask questions about how this item affects us in our present life. How is this item still relevant to us today? And from here, you'll prepare a short presentation video of your analysis, your questions, and where you think this will lead you in your research essay. Module 3 is the big essay. That's where we'll start writing it. We'll start with a research proposal where you'll share your ideas and thoughts about what you'd like to research with me. I hope that you'll use your chosen item from digital collections to inform this research proposal, and you may also use it as one of your sources. From here, you'll begin to research using the archives, the library databases, and any other method you'd like to incorporate, such as interviews and other resources. You will collect those sources that you'd like to use when writing your essay in what is called an annotated bibliography. We will then begin to draft our essay in 2-page increments, culminating in an 8 to 10 page draft. Now we're in Module 4. This is where we'll hit revision. After I read your drafts and have a chance to leave comments on them, we'll exchange those drafts in an essay group, and you'll use guidelines that I provide to read through each other's essays and hopefully help each other think through your ideas and how those ideas might be made better. I'll also leave you comments on your draft, and then you will write for yourself a revision plan. What is it you want to change about your essay? Why do you want to change it or clarify it? And when do you want to make those changes? Then you'll be given the time and space to do that. The last module is the final portfolio. This is your final exam where you will put in one Word document your revised research essay, your revision plan, one other piece of writing that you think showcases your writing and thinking process, and then a reflection essay. We'll go over each module more in depth when we get there. If you have any questions, please feel free to drop in my office hours or send me an email.